Hi parents, welcome to our Reach Up and Learn Toys Corner. We want to keep our little scholars going. So here's how to use our toys for early stimulation. Let's go! Hi parents, welcome back to another video. Now today's toy to explore with your children is our 4-shape puzzle. Now this can help your children with language, fine motor skills, as well as basic math concepts. You can explore the shapes, talk about its colors, and also count its sides. Now, I will be showing how to use this toy today. Let's go! Okay, so you can have the child taking out the pieces one by one, asking the child, what shape is this? A diamond. But what does it look like? It looks like a kite. Where do we fly a kite? That's right, outside. What color is it? This is the color blue. All right, great. Can you put it back in? Awesome. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3. And what color is it? This is the color blue. Good job. Now, can you put it back in for me, please? Great. Wow. What does this look like? A circle? It does, but this is an oval. That's right. Does oval have any sides? No sides. What color is it? This is the color blue. Good job. Can you put it back for me, please? Great. Now, last one. What does this look like? A cross? Good job. It also looks like a plus sign. Can we count the sides? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many sides? 12 sides. And what color does it have? This is the color blue. Great job. So we have the oval, or cross, or kite, and or triangle. Good job. Reach up, play, interact, talk, learn.